In this video, let's learn how to divide the number 61 by 2 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 6. We know that 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Subtract, we get a 0. As this 0 is less than 2, that is why we will bring down this 1 here. Now see that this is the number 1. So we will remove this 0. And we know that 2 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get 1. 1 is less than 2 and we have no number to bring down here. That is why in this case we will borrow 1 0, and for that we need to put a decimal here. And we know that 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have obtained the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore 61 divided by 2 is equal to 30.5. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.